Hello student, welcome back to you on your e-learning classes. Student, today I will teach you class 5 subject science. Student, first of all open your book in front of you. Okay student? Class 5 both for A and B. I don't know in which section you belong, but this is the answer for both sections. Okay, because I am teaching in both sections, section A and section B. Subject science. Okay, your today's topic is EXER, exercise of chapter 1. Student, what is the name of your chapter? Growing plants. So ready to write down the question answer in your a rough copy or in homework copy. Okay, then you will write down this question answer in your fair copy, means class 1 copy, fair copy. Okay student, so write down the question answer in your rough copy. If your writing is good, then you could write down the direct question answer in your fair copy as well. Okay, so student, and I have completed the other exercises of this chapter in your textbook. I have completed and filled it in your textbook. So now write down the question answer. Okay, in section 5. Okay, give short answer. Give short ANSWER. Question number 1. What are the essential for a seed? What are essential for a seed to grow into plant? To grow into plant. Okay student, answer. First, I am writing both question and answer because I don't know how many students have purchased the new book and how many not purchased. So it is my responsibility to write down the all questions answer. Okay, so answer first. The essentials for a seed grow. The essential for a seed grow are, what is 3 things: water, air, sunlight and soil. Water, air, sunlight and soil. Write down student question and answer. Number 1 in your give short answer. Second question, why do seeds need to be dispersed? Write down first of all, what are the essentials for a seed to grow into plant? The essentials for a seed grow into plants grow. Write down, grow into plant. Okay. Now question number second. Question number 2. Why do seeds need to be dispersed? To be dispersed. Student, why? You already know that for better growth, for getting proper nutrients, it is very necessary for the dispersal of seeds from their mother plants. Okay, so write down the answer. Seeds need to be dispersed. Question number 2. Answer number 2. Seeds need to be dispersed for the better growth, for the better growth, okay, of a plant. Write down question number 2 and answer number 2. Why do seeds need to be dispersed? Why do seeds need to be dispersed? Seeds need to be dispersed for the better growth of a plant. Okay, right now. Now, going to the third question. Question number 3. Which types of seed are dispersed by wind? Which type of seed? Which types of seeds are dispersed by wind? Write down the answer. Answer number 3. Very light and have wings. Very light. L-I-G-H-T and have wing. Because due to these features, seeds are dispersed by winds. Heavy seeds did not disperse from the mother plant to the other places. So very light and have wing, and hair and hair and hair on their seeds, on their seeds are dispersed by wind. Okay, write down both question and answer. Student, if I have getting some more time to write down the question answer in the copy, I will give to you in the WhatsApp group, in to your class 5 WhatsApp group. But try to write down in your online classes, in your rough copy or direct in the fair copy. Okay, write down question number 3. Which types of seeds are dispersed by wind? So very light and have wings, and hair on their seeds are dispersed by wind. Now the fourth question. Question number 4. What are Rabi crop? What are Rabi crop? What are Rabi crops? Answer. Write down this. Answer number 3. Very light and have wings, and hair on their seeds are dispersed by wind. Now, can I rub this? Okay, I am going to rub this. Question. Now answer number 4. What will be the answer? What are the Rabi crops? You know, student, there are two seasonal crops, Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Student, Rabi crops are grow in the winter season, means November, December, and harvested in the month of April and May. So write down the answer. The crop grown from October, November, Rabi crop are grown. Rabi crop grown from October, November and harvested in April and May. April, May. April, April, May. May. Okay, April and May. Example: wheat, gram, Rabi crops are grown from October, November and harvested in May, April and May. Okay, student, don't write the Rabi crop, direct write down the crops are grown from October, November and harvested in April, May. Okay, April, May. Called Rabi crops. Okay, called Rabi crops. Now write down example: wheat and gram. Now student, write down the fifth question. What is the fifth question? Open your book, turn the page. What are the special features? What are the special features? What are the special features by which potato grow into plant? Question mark. Okay, student, I have no space, so we will give them question mark. Write down the answer. Student, some plants grow from their body parts of the plants. Suppose some grow from the stems, some are grow from the stems, roots, leaves, and some are grow from the spores. Potato, ginger, onion, these are the underground stems. So, potato have the eyes, buds on their body surface. When they cut into small pieces and sown in the soil, they generate a new plants. Okay, so write down the answer. Answer number 4. Write down answer. Potato grow from their underground stem. Potato grown from their underground stem. Okay, student? What do you mean by the underground stem? Student, because it has bird's card eyes. Because it has bird card eyes. It is found on the surface of the potato, which is responsible for the growing of the new plants. Right now, which grow rise to new plants. Which I will erase this because they are very little space in your board. So eyes which grow rise which grow rise into new plants to new plants. So from here, potatoes grow from their underground stem because it has bud called eyes which grow rise to new plants. Okay, sir? Question number 6. After completing each question answer, you will draw a dark line below the answer. And now write down question number 6. Okay, sorry, 6. This is the answer of question number 5. Answer number 5. Question number 6. Why do we spray? Why do we spray? Why do we spray pesticides? On crops. Student, can I erase this? Okay. I am going to erase question and answer number 5. Answer 6. Why do we spray pesticides on crops? Student, pesticides are chemical. Write down. Pesticides are chemicals. Okay, student, pesticides are chemical that protect from harmful. Okay, that protect from harmful insects, pests. Okay, insects and pests by spraying on crop. By SPRAYI spraying on crop. So there are 6 questions are given in your very short question. Okay, so write down the complete question answer in your homework copy. Why do we spray pesticide on crops? So pesticides are chemical. First of all, this is man-made in the industries or in the factories that protects from harmful insects and pests by spraying on crops. So this all questions are given in the page number 15. You can also find out all the answer in your book also. Okay, but it is not possible to give the tick on your book. Okay, student. So write down today's homework. Write and learn, write and learn, give short answer, short answer. In your fair copy. Of chapter first. Okay, student, write down this. I hope you have learned the different types of question answer which are given in your textbook. Student, if you have any queries, then you call to in my personal number. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay.